Ladies and gentlemen, sorry to keep y'all waiting, but I got what y'all waiting for. Relapse. Relapse. I got it.
Today I am unboxing a Japan crate for you guys. You probably have no idea what the hell I'm doing. This is not fragrance related. It's something totally different. Basically, this is a box of snacks you get every month from Japan, and I'm going to show you guys what it is. Before I actually get into it and talk about it, I'll show you what I actually paid that money for and how we're going to sort of talk about this. But basically, I have an obsession with Japanese culture. You know, whether it's when a Japanese cheesecake shop opens up in New York, you know, I'll go there and try them. Japanese bakeries I've always gone to. There's a Japanese store I've talked about and I post a lot about called Muji. I post a lot on my Instagram about that does Japanese houseware and clothing and office wear, and a Japanese grocery store, Katagiri, that I always go to. I've always really been into Japanese streetwear, whether it be undercover or extra large or Bape or Japanese denim. I've been a big sushi fan. Always tried to, we used to have offices, lunch in my offices, and I'd get everyone bento boxes from Cafe Zaya. I always used to go to Japanese bookstores and get like Bape lookbooks and stuff like that. So when I heard about Japan Crate, I knew that I wanted to do a video on Japan Crate. And what it is you basically pay a certain amount of money every month for either one of 4 boxes. There's a Doki box, which gets you like toys, household items, and plush toys. There's a Kira Kira Beauty Crate, which gets you like beauty items, but I don't think that's much focus on men's stuff. And there's an Umi Crate, which gives you different types of Japanese noodles. I went for the Japan Crate, which gets you different types of Japanese snacks. There's a $12 box, which gets you 5 items. There's a $25 box, which gets you 10 items. And there's a $35 premium box, which gets you 18 to 20 items, including a drink and limited edition items. Now, this is the obviously the $35 box, the premium box you can see there. I'm going to go through what came in this box, and this is the August box, so by the time you see this it's probably long gone, but I'll post a link, so if you have any interest in this, you could check this out yourself. It comes with a book to tell you exactly what you're getting, and I really don't like sweets and snacks, to be 100% honest with you. I do, but I'd rather just eat a meal. I like to try everything once. I'm one of those people, and I know people in my office who work for me will want to try everything. So my thing is every day I'm going to try to bring something in, taste one myself, let everyone else try them. But you can see the box, pretty dope. It says Japan Crate. And then you got a card that tells you everything you get, and we'll just sort of I'll sort of unbox them and we'll go through them one by one. So here's this, it tells you everything you get, right? Like, now I might have already eaten this, which is I was hungry, man, and I was waiting to do this. This is the what is this? What the fuck is this, guys? This is the Kerbo stick, which is a brown sugar pastry. It was really good. It was just sort of tasted almost like a softer biscotti. So these are Pinots, Strawberry Moon Pinots, Mike's, and it looks like these, what's up with these? These are limited edition Strawberry Moon Caramel Corns. So Pinot Ice Cream collaborated with Frito-Lay to create the strawberry and raspberry treat. So these look pretty dope to bring in. We got this, which is, I guess, another type of like caramel corn. I'll look this up for you guys. This is Ramune caramel corn. This is a caramel corn that's flavored in Ramune. If you've ever had Ramune soda, this is flavored in Ramune flavor. We've got some Kit Kats, 3 Kit Kats, and this is the, what flavor Kit Kats are these? These are the Siochi Lemon. This is the top producer of lemon. So I guess Siochi Lemon decided to do a collaboration with Japan Crate, or with Kit Kat, which is dope. This is, I guess, like a fake ice cream cone, chocolate soft. This is a fake marshmallow chocolate ice cream cone. That's pretty dope. This is the drink I got this month, and I'm not really a big coffee drinker, so I'm a little bummed. This is Georgia Emerald Mountain Blend. This is Tokyo I Crack Smooth Coffee Brand, limited edition Gundam design. I don't think I got the Gundam design. Oh, I guess I did get the Gundam design, but not a coffee drinker. These are some gummy sours, it looks like. Probably pineapple. Let's see if there's a description on these. I don't see the gummy sour description. Maybe this is my special item or something, because I don't see a gummy sour. Yeah, Sour Jewels pineapple. So these are just pineapple gummies. You know, these could be cool. Maybe this. Oh, I think this may be. I don't know what the fuck that is, my G. This is eat your no. This is make your own old school style candy. The sweet and traditional Japanese candy is fun to spin and twirl like slime. So I don't know how this works, but whatever. These are. What the fuck? This is sweet and sour wrapped up in soft round candy. Chew on these when you want a refreshing burst of soda. All right. This looks like, oh, there's lips of some sort. Looks like a kiss. No description. Oh yeah, choo choo. Gummy on your lips to perfect red pouty lips. It also doubles as a juicy flavored gummy. So we got that. We got these. Looks like these are like some. Let's see. Doesn't look like there's a description on these guys. So, I don't know. Oh yeah, classic Japanese drink cartons. DX Sour Pack. This, oh maybe this is, oh this just probably tells you like, let's see what's up here. $3 gift card to the Japan Crate store. So next month I'll get $3 off. It'll cost me $32. These are Pockies. If you never had Pockies, these are awesome. This is chocolate coconut flavor. So, you know, just kind of sticks with like a chocolate flavoring on top. We got these. These are also poor Paparikis. And these look like a snack more than anything else. It says that brown sugar. Pretzel-like brown sugar snacks. So maybe these will be dope. These look like Cheetos sort of things. Snacking these crackers to give your mouth a trip to Hokkaido is over for sweet corn. So sweet corn and soy sauce flavored snacks. And these are some sort of cookie. It looks like almost like a Ritz cracker. Ichiro yogurt crackers, strawberry yogurt crackers. We'll see what's up with that. Oh, these, if you know these are high chews. This is high chew banana. So these are like very big deal in Japan. They're like chewy candies. I could live with them without them. And then we have a couple more things. We got our rest of our Kit Kats, and these are like the other flavors I got. And these are cranberry almonds. So nutty Kit Kat. And then the last two, so there's three of them. And then we got these, a bag of chips. Dope. What's up with these chips? These are potato, shrimp, and salt chips. So these should be dope. Excited to try these. And then the last thing is this. What's going on here, guys? This looks like something very funky. This is... What is this? What the fuck is this? I don't... Oh, nope. Ono Yakitaro. Savory pancake mixed with meat, vegetables, and egg sauce. This is a squid snack that's meant to taste like that. So, there you go, guys. You can see I got a tremendous amount of stuff for my $10. 35, 10 bucks. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna let you know how I like it, and hopefully do another one of these videos. You can see how brolic this box was. Do another video on Japan Crate next month. If you guys are interested, let me know. Drop a comment if you're at all interested in this. I'm a huge fan of Japanese culture. Should I try the beauty box one month? Like, let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely gonna get the September box and do a video, and we'll see how that goes. But I'll let you know how these are. If there's just any special item you want to hear, like, oh, this was that, or this was that, you know, let me know which item you're interested in, and I'll try to do a video, follow-up video. But in the meantime, drop a comment. Let me know if you're all interested in this. And I'm going to leave a link, of course, to Japan Crate and the different boxes they offer, so you guys can check them out. I'll see you again real soon with another video, guys. You know
you got a brand new weight to do. I'm the man y'all hate to love. Motherfuckers probably hate me cause I'm in the lab all night, in the lab all day. That's the shit y'all hate to do. Niggas can't flow like Freezer, go like free, get the dough like Freezer. If I take them off, leave them in the room, y'all niggas still can't seem to feel to take my shoes.